So last scrap is the date. If you see here, it is the date format. So the name is the kind of name of the property. These are the name of the property. Summary. So that's how it goes. Hope like that. You can, if whatever format you want, if you see that there is a change required in the format of this data, you can go ahead and change it. Basically, what happens when you upload the data from Excel, a Power BI uses its own intelligence to identify that what should be the data type of that particular attribute. Now, in most cases, it becomes right, but in some cases, doesn't. That's when this transform data, this particular step becomes really, really important. Otherwise, create problem in the subsequent steps. So this step is very important while loading the data. So once you are here, you can just scroll, you can scroll sideways to see that what you have got all these things. Now once you are done the inspection of the data that got loaded, what you can do is that you come back to your home tab, okay, and you can close and apply. So what it means, you can close after making the apply. You have the option of apply. All the changes that you have made in the steps over here will be applied, but this window will still remain open. And if you close it, it will not make any changes. It will not commit any of the changes that you have made so far, and it will close the query editor without applying any pending changes. Okay, but in this case, what we want to do, we can first apply. So it's saying that apply query changes, listing, creating, connecting model, loading data to model. Okay, so basically what happens is that it at the back end, Power BI loads the data and try to see that if there is a model. So it creates a schema of that table or of that data, and it gets loaded. So now it is loaded. Okay, and it is loaded in the model as well. Now if you do a close, your changes are all saved, applied, and if you now close it, got closed.